If you have come to a point in your life that you've decided you're no longer going to spend money on cheap vacuums that break and you need to keep replacing them, cheap quality may not necessarily cheap in price, then you really want to listen up and watch this video, because that is Miele's top of the line vacuum cleaner. So it is the best of the best. And watch this video all the way to the end for you to find out if this should be your next buy it for life vacuum. If you are not familiar with Miele, Miele is a German company. It's a manufacturer of high-end appliances, and they celebrated their 125th year last year. We have been selling and servicing with their Miele vacuum cleaners since 1999, so we know a thing or two about Miele vacuums. Now, if you're wondering if this vacuum is the right model for you or your floors, your needs, your home, you need to know what type of floor heads this vacuum gets. Well, let me make it easy for you. This vacuum comes with a beast of a carpet tool that can handle any type of carpets. And it also comes with a second tool, which is a combination floor brush that can handle any type of bare floors and flat rugs. There is no type of flooring this vacuum cannot do. If you have pet hair, there is no amount of pet hair this vacuum cannot do. This is the ultimate vacuum cleaner. Now, we already mentioned the two floor heads of this vacuum gets. Does it come with other accessory tools? Oh yes, it does. As a matter of fact, an ingenious design by Miele hides, there's a secret compartment that hides this tool. This is a 2-in-1 upholstery and crevice tool. In this configuration, that's your crevice tool. That's where the air is going to get sucked in through. But if you turn that neck over, now it can be used as an upholstery tool. This has a very nice hiding place over there. This model gets their dusting brush not stored on the body, not stored on the handle, separately. So you're welcome to store it wherever you like and keep it wherever is accessible for you. Okay, but you get the 3 accessory tools just like any other Miele. Okay, well, this is the top of the line model from probably one of the best manufacturers of appliances in the world. So it's no surprise that it's also a beautiful machine. I think, as a matter of fact, this is overdone. No vacuum cleaner should be this gorgeous. But that's just my personal opinion. Except for the aesthetics, though, let's see how this design translates into functionality. We'll start from here. You have the hidden compartment for your 2-in-1 floor accessory tools. Exclusive to this model is an LCD screen surrounded by this gold border, which actually is functional. You have your on and off button, your suction selectors are here, and that's a cord rewind. It's a beautiful LCD which actually shows you graphics of whichever suction setting you're on. It also shows you the status of how full the bag is and also the filter. And when you need to change the filter, those will light up. Also, now, this does connect to the Miele at-home app on your phone. It only just shows the bag status and the filter. Doesn't do much, but it's a good to have if it's an ecosystem for you of all the Miele appliances. Nothing else to talk about here. The hose is a crush-proof king-free hose. It's also pretty lightweight. The handle on the hose is a comfort handle, which means it's easy to use, moving things around, and it doesn't hurt your wrist. It reduces the pressure there. There is an on and off button here or switch here on the handle that operates the power head. So at your fingertips, easy. This is a telescopic stainless steel wand. Very good quality. Great for getting into harder to reach areas, but also You know, I've actually watched people vacuum like this, bent over. I don't know why, but you don't do that. You don't need to hurt your back when you vacuum. This extends fully. So that's also helpful. Parking spots in the back. Now, why do you have parking spots on a vacuum? Well, for storage, and also if you wanted to move this thing up and down the stairs, pretty easy. That is one parking spot. The other is at the front of the machine, and it's there because if you wanted to rest this without having to lean it on the wall, doesn't scratch things, that's there. Another very big change in design with the L models of the Guard is the fact that you no longer see any exhaust grills up on top. All Miele's used to exhaust the air through the top of the machine. Not anymore. They've removed that. The air is now coming through the sides. And this fabric finish that you see here has a function. Not only it does kind of act like the last filter, piece of filtration there, it also helps protect your baseboards and furniture legs if this thing hits them. It also protects the vacuum from getting scratches and scuffs, and you don't want to scratch that. It's a beautiful machine. So all in all, aesthetically gorgeous, but also very thoughtfully designed. If you've ever had a vacuum cleaner that is loud enough to wake up the kids or even the neighbors while you vacuum, you'll appreciate that a quiet vacuum is just so much better. And that's what the L1s do. Now, this is a 1200 watt motor. It's a very powerful motor, but I can carry a conversation without yelling very easily. So that's impressive. Now, as far as that power that we talked about, you need to control that power. We have people asking sometimes, well, why do I need all that power? I could use the maximum suction on everything. Well, you can, but you really don't want to, because this vacuum is not only meant for your floors. You could dust around the house, you could clean your curtains, upholstery, and when you start considering all the different surfaces you could use this on, you'll realize how important it is for you to be able to control that suction. And you do get 5 suction settings with this model. Now, almost all new lines of Miele have 4 suction settings. They get curtains, upholstery, carpets or rugs, and hard floor. The L1 Electro, and exclusive to L1 Electro, is a 5th suction setting, which is the auto suction. Now, on the auto suction, you don't mess around with that suction setting dials. The machine decides, based on the surface you're using it on, how much suction is going to produce. Easy. So a big thing with the Guard L1 is, right out of the box, this thing is so well filtered. Well, that's actually one of the reasons why you're getting a bagged vacuum anyways, because generally, if you do any research, you'll see that the idea is a bagged vacuum tends to do better when it comes to filtering the air that goes through it. Not only that, it's just hygienic. It's easier to dispose of the dirt, so you don't have to wash filters and buckets compared to a bagless machine. Now, the way they achieve the standards of filtration they have with these Miele's, it starts with a really high quality bag. This is a 3.5 liter HEPA material bag. By the way, for the Guards, Miele has redesigned their bag system. So it's also foolproof. There's no way you could screw this up. This bag sits in that holder, perfectly locks in. Anyways, the air goes through that really high quality bag. There's a filter behind the motor, but also what you get is this HEPA filter. This is a HEPA 13. This filter traps all particles down to 0.3 microns, which is thinner than hair, up to 99.97% efficiency. This also is a completely sealed system. So all of this to say that the air that comes out of the sides of this vacuum is cleaner than the air inside your room. Now, when you say best of the best and top of the line, also usually means the heftiest. Not in this case. The Guard L1s are actually a pound lighter than the middle of the line M series. They're just about 12 pounds, and you could feel they are light and easy to carry. But not only that, unlike the standard 3-caster system with almost all of the Miele vacuums, the L1 Electro gets a 4-caster system called dynamic drive. This also has rubber wheels, so it doesn't scratch anything. But let me tell you, the way this thing moves, I mean, it looks like a Bentley and it kind of drives like a Bentley, of vacuums at least. It's impressive. The L1 Electro gets a 24-foot cord. That 24-foot cord gives you a 36-foot operating radius when you include the hose and the wand and everything. You'll only know how good that is if you've ever had a vacuum that has had a short cord and you have to keep looking for an electric outlet. You also obviously get a 1-tap rewind. Easy. Now the L1 Electro is a Miele product and it gets the Miele warranty. The Miele warranty is probably one of the best warranties in the vacuum industry here in Canada. The reason for that, you get a 5-year warranty. That's 5 full years on all the components right out of the box, and you get a 7-year warranty on the motor. Now this vacuum is fully made in Germany, and you could see, you could feel, you could touch the quality as well. Now we are and have been a warranty center for Miele, well, since 1999. So we know a thing or two about these machines, and the whole point of you purchasing from us is if you ever ended up needing to ask a question or get a part or whatever it is you need, you don't go around town looking for help. We are here and happy to help you. Not only that, we do ship these free of charge to all Canadian provinces. We offer you a 30-day full refund, 90-day price match guarantee. We offer financing if need be, and we send you videos on how to put things together and just what not to do, especially if this is your first Miele vacuum. If I missed anything, we have a whole team of experts, Miele vacuum experts, ready to help. Please do call us toll free at 1-877-220-5656, or you're welcome to chat with us online at vacuumwarehouse.ca.